Hello, fellas. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Vira Anjali Vitaloka. I'm from English Education Department, Class 5F. Okay, now I wanna review the material about learning foundation in media in language. The first, I will explain about technology, media, and learning. Okay, the first is the definition of learning. What is the learning? Learning is the development of new knowledge, skills, or attitude as an individual interacts with information and the environment. The learning environment includes the physical facilities, the psychological atmosphere, instructional technology, media, and method. The next is definition of media. What is the media? Media is a means of communication and source of information derived from the Latin word meaning between. The term refers to anything that carries information between a source and a receiver. Examples include video, television, diagrams, print material, computer program, and instructor. Okay, now I have 6 basic types of media in learning and instruction. There are audio, visual, motion media, manipulative, text, and the last is people. Technology and media can serve many roles in learning. The instruction may be dependent on the presence of a teacher. Okay, now in here there are some ways how to give instruction, as one is instructor directed learning, learner directed learning, portfolios, thematic instruction, and the last, distance education. The next is definition of technology. The word of technology has always had a variety of connotation, ranging from mere hardware to a way solving problem. The next is instructional system. Instructional system consists of a set of interrelated components that work together effectively and reliably within a particular framework to provide learning activities necessary to accomplish a learning goal. The component of all instructional system include objective, methods, media, equipment, and learning environment, and the last, people. In addition, instructional systems have the characteristic. Here, the characteristic of an instructional system. The first is direction, cost, synchronization, group size, location, and time. There are some instructional systems. The first one is cooperative learning, games, simulation games, program instruction, program tutoring. The next is Assure model. The Assure model, a procedural guide for planning and conducting instruction that incorporates media and technology, assuming that training or instruction is required. The Assure model focuses on planning surrounding the actual classroom use of media and the technology. A model to help assure learning. There are analyst learners. Analyst learners is the first step in the Assure model is analysis of your audience. The second is step objective. Step objective is the second step in the Azure model is to state the objective of instruction. In the statement of objective, you should be as specific as you can. The third is select methods, media, and materials. The fourth is utilize media and materials. Utilize media and materials is the next step of the use of media and materials by the student and teacher. The next is require learner participation. Require learner participation is to be effective instruction should require active mental engagement by learners. And the last is evaluate and revise. Evaluate and revise is the final step in Azure model for effective learning is evaluation and revision. Okay, the next is visual principle. In visual principle, any the role of visual in instruction. There is one role that visual definitely play is to provide a concrete reference for ideas. The second is visuals can also motivate learners by attracting their attention. The third is visual can simplify information that is difficult to understand. And the last is visual provide a redundant channel. Visual literacy. Visual literacy can be developed through two major approaches. The first one is input strategy. Input strategies helping learners to decode or read visual professionally by practicing visual analysis skills. And the next is output strategies. Output strategies is helping learners to encode or write visual to express themselves and communicate with others. Visual literacy education. Visual education, the district's curriculum guide, encourage teachers to consider visual learning styles and emphasize the importance of visuals in the development creativity and critical thinking skills. Process of visual design. The first is elements. Elements is selecting and assembling the verbal or visual elements to incorporate into the display. The second is pattern. Pattern is choosing an underlying pattern for the elements of the display. The third is arrangement. Arranging the individual elements within the underlying pattern. Okay, I think that's all my explanation about this topic. Thank you for attention.